you're having a great day. Welcome to my channel, Sooeylife. I am 52 years old and I am sharing anti-aging tips and face massages with you guys. The massages I'm showing you are the ones that I've been doing and I know that they really work. Aging cannot be stopped, no. But we can slow it down. Yes, we can. What's important is love yourself and take care of yourself because we are beautiful. Today, I'm going to do a smart massage that's for tightening and also for lifting. UV light from the sun makes our skin less elastic and we have more outdoor activities in the summer. So it's very smart to pay extra attention to skin tightening and lifting. That's why it's smart massage. And this is what I do now. And I do my morning massage in the morning and that's on my channel. And I change my evening massages every 2 to 3 weeks. And this is what I do. And it's a must-do summer massage. And watch the video till the end and do it at home because it really works and it's really good for tightening and lifting. Before we start, I'd like to say, and I always say, the most important thing to look younger is be positive and happy. When we are not happy, when we are happy, we're a mess. Smile more, be positive and happy. That really is the most important thing. Are you ready to look younger? Let's get started. First, rub your hands against each other for 10 to 20 seconds. Next, tapping. Next, tapping. Next, for this area, so when skin is sagging, so it's very important to take care of here. So what we do is hold. So not this, but this way. Okay? So 1, 2, so do this 20 times. Switch the side and same way, this way, okay? Next, so not this now, this way for this area. do this 20 times. Next, make your hands this way, and starting from the middle, we go all the way up. Okay? 1. Okay, so we'll do this 10 times. Next, make your hands this way, and here, again, not this way. Okay, do this 20 times. Next, okay, this is 1. So do this 20 times. Next, so this area, and not this, no, this, and we do this 20 times. Next, your index finger, starting from here, hold for 10 seconds. One more time. Next, so your middle finger here, okay, and then so hold for 10 seconds. One more time, middle finger here. Hold for 10 seconds. Next, for forehead, 1, 2, so do this 20 times. Next, you're starting from here, okay? And then pull up and hold for 10 seconds. One more time, starting from here, and pull up and hold for 10 seconds. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Hold for 10 seconds. One more time. And then, so hold for 10 seconds. One more time, middle finger here. Hold for 10 seconds. And pull up and hold for 10 seconds. One more time, starting from here, and pull up and hold for 10 seconds.